many ducks over there. Why is there so many?
Maybe they're the ducklings.
The ducklings. So many ducks.
The big goldfish, oh.
Where? There! There, I can see it. There's the big goldfish. The big goldfish is there.
Hindi pa lang pagsamahin din yung
Where's the
fish?
Hello, duck. How are you, big duck?
Koi fish.
Ayun.
How are you? How are you? How are you? I'm videoing this duck.
Look at it now. It's so small.
There's a goldfish fighting. There's a goldfish. It's feeding them. It's feeding. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome, dude.
Get some kiss.
Bro, the fish is eating the
Hey, look, oh.
It's eating that. Oh, look, there's a duck there swimming. Yay! Eat it! Yes, eat it!
Oh, there's the big goldfish, oh.
There's over there! The big goldfish! The big goldfish! It's there!
I mean, it's koi fish.
There! Ang dami nila! There, oh.
my God.
There's one there.
Wala, tatlo sila, Yesho.
I like pizza.
Alam ko nga eh, tatlo.
Mga sosyal, kain ng pizza.
They're eating a pizza.
Sila kumakain ng
Look at that. It's big. Oh, look at this duck. That's so cute. It's so cute.
Go ahead, take a picture of them.
Ah, this is so cute.
Full sintir.
Oh, look at them. They're drinking water. I wonder where's the big goldfishes. Oh, there. It's near. It's near. Yes, look, it's Mimo. It's Mimo. It's big, right? Did you see it? It's there. It's Mimo.
The most huge, I don't know, fish.
You know the most huge goldfish, the
Oh,
fish.
look at that. Those are sweet ducks.
They're swans. I think they're so swans.
No, they're not swans.
They
They're
are.
sweet ducks.
They're just
You like that?
I think they're swan.
The black one are the bad ducks.
No, they.
Papa, can I have your second?
No, they're not.
Here, just.
Hello, swan. I think those are
Hello.
ducks.
I'm gonna give you some ducks. I'm gonna give you some ducks.
Nalaglag mo yung cellphone ko, ha?
Oh, there's a big duck. Oh no, that's a big goldfish.
Don't fall it down, ha?
Please, ducks, don't eat the big goldfish.
Oh, look at that duck.
There's a big goldfish.
You miss you. I love you, duck.
Oh, there's the big koi fish.
It's Mimo.
It's not Nemo.
Oh, the ducks are swimming now.
Kinda
Nemo-
like
Nemo
Mimo.
is a clownfish, not goldfish. Or
That's not a goldfish. It has white.
Oh, they're feeding the ducks over there.
it's a clownfish.
Yeah, I know. That's a clownfish. There. No, wait. Can't see it.
How much my video?
More ducks. Yes, look. There's more ducks there.
Yeah, they're drinking water. Okay.
I really want to see the big goldfish. I want to see it. The forever alone duck.
Oh, wherever.
Forever alone duck.
Oh, look, come on.
Where is that even there?
The most saddest duck.
The most saddest duck who's biting himself. I'm very sorry for you, duck. Go, yes! Hey guys, it's Kattyan, and this is a video of a duck. So yeah, guys, this is Kattyan. I'm videoing the duck. Oh, there's a big goldfish. Sorry. So yeah, subscribe to my videos. There's a duck. Look at that. It's Ruby.
They're drinking water, see?
Yeah, I know. They're drinking water. They are the
They're
poor
drinking
little
water
ducks.
there.
There's so many fish.
Maybe
See?
they're eating the fish.
Look! Those are the fish mouths. They're hungry. Do you see those? No, no, see. Over there, those are fish mouths. You see those? They're hungry. Look at the view.
The little one.
Look. This is my cousin. Say hi.
Can I see?
Say hi.
Hi.
This is my baby cousin. Your name is?
Yesha.
Your name is?
Yesha. Oh, there's a duck.
Hello, duck. How you doing? Come here, ducky. Come here. Hi, ducky.
Oh, look at that sweet.
It's moving. Let's walk like a duck. Come, let's walk like a duck. You do like this, then your feather. Come on. Let's walk like a duck. Let's walk like a duck.
Walk like a duck.
Walk. Look, there's so many. Oh. Oh, look at those. They're racing. 3, 2, 1. Go eat. Yes, go eat. Free raining pizza.
Oh, there's some more.
Oh, there's so many white. Oh, look at that duck. It's thinking. The poor thinking duck. Yeah, scratch that. Bye. Where are you? Go look at those ducks. There's a big goldfish. The big goldfish. Look at that. There. Oh. I think that's not a goldfish. It's just a normal fish we kept seeing.
It's a big goldfish.
Again, swimming.
Come on, let's go swimming.
What? What? You want to go swim there?
No.
Dirty?
No, of course. Just be careful of the duck.
Did you see there's a bridge there? Come.
There.
It's a bridge. Come on. See, there's a bridge.
Oh, we can't see anything.
There. Over there. In the... You can see a bridge there, right?
Yeah.
People walking. Oh, look at those
Oh,
ducks.
look at that
They're saying quack, quack, quack.
duck. No. They're eating.
Wait. Hear that.
Hey, they're eating their friends.
Look at that duck. No, they're
eating
not.
their friends.
They're taking them a bait.
Hey, see?
Oh, they're tickling them. Hello, little duck. Hello, you're so cute. You're so cute. Look at that little tail. Those little tails. They're so adorable. They're so cute.
Shut up! Oh, look at that.
It's so cute. They're looking at you, Yasha.
Hey, come on, let's go.
Okay, guys. So that's the end of the video. Okay, guys. So yeah.
Ow.
Bye.
Hey, give me. I think you take the grass.
Bye. Say Yasha. Say bye.
Bye.
Look at this. Say bye.
Bye.